Hello, welcome to my page. So this just has my about me, and I threw in my teaching philosophy. If you click on this menu bar, you can go through each of the tasks that we did in class. So first one I have is a virtual discussion. We just the basic layout of the pages. You'll have your task with the assignment description, a reflection done by myself, and if there's work to be shown, it'll be shown below. So my self-selected virtual library, same thing, task reflection. And then here I categorize everything. I also categorize it in my individual library, as you can see here. But it just makes it easier for the viewer, instead of having to go through these. If they're just looking for something specific, they can just come here, click on it, and that'll take them directly to that section. Next section I have is my book trailer. And that book trailer, same thing, my task, my reflection, and if you click on this link here, it'll show you my book trailer. My reader response blog is the next one here. The description, the reflection. If you click on this image, it'll take you to my response blog. It'll show you each and every one of my books that I reviewed with the classmates and that I made a reader response blog on. Family literacy backpack is here, and here's some images that I took, and these are the names of the books here, and you have the activities here. You click on them and that'll take you to the worksheet. My library field experience, everything that was required from it, to include the schedule. Today's Wednesday, so I usually go on Wednesdays. I went there today too. Here's some images that I have from the library. And lastly, my author study with the PowerPoint here. Thank you for watching this. Have a good day.